Good afternoon, everybody. It's your boy Max T coming to you from Rockaway Turnpike, the shopping center Rockaway Turnpike. So today we stopped to go to GNC and we got ourselves a Lenny and Larry's complete cookie chocolate chip flavored. So right now I'm gonna put this in my mouth and we're gonna get to it. Let's go. Okay. So it tastes like an ordinary chocolate chip cookie, but what I really like about this cookie in particular is that it has no eggs, no GMO, no dairy, and it's kosher. It looks like a chocolate chip cookie, I can guarantee you that, but it really is one, except it's non-dairy, and like I said just now, it's vegan. And what I mean by that is that unlike other chocolate chip cookies or any other cookies that bakeries make or stuff like that, they always load them with preservatives. Preservatives is a chemical that keeps the baked goods from falling apart. I know this because I just found that out today. Anyway, get one at a store near you. I'm sure they have one at a store near you. So get out of work at some point and hopefully you'll try one of these cookies. It's gonna change your day, I guarantee it. Anyway, I gotta head out. I rate this an 8 out of 10. So now it's time for me to get out. Keep it classy and keep on snacking.